Prepare me for public transport by Transport for Ireland in collaboration with As I Am, Ireland's national autism charity. How to use a Leap card. What is a Leap card? The Leap card is a prepaid, reusable card that can be used to pay for public transport in Ireland. The Leap card allows you to pay for transport without the need for cash or paper tickets. Leap cards can be used to pay for transport on Dublin Bus, Bus Éireann, Go Ahead Ireland, Dart, Commuter Rail and Luas trams. How to use a Leap card. The Leap card is easy to use. When using bus services, you simply touch on a validator with the Leap card, as seen in this clip. When using tram and rail services, you must touch on and touch off the validator before and after a Luas journey, and before and after a train journey. If you're approached by a ticket inspector, show them your Leap card. How to top up a Leap card. The Leap card won't work until you add credit to it. You can do this in several ways. You can buy credit for your card at any post-point agent. You can also top up your card using the ticket machines at Luas, Dart and rail stations. To top up on one of these machines, simply insert your Leap card and follow the machine's instructions. Finally, you can purchase credit online using the Leap Top-Up app. To use the app, simply type in the amount of credit you want to add and hold your Leap card against the phone. The app can also be used to track your transactions and journeys. Thank you for watching this National Transport Authority explainer.